Hello everyone, I am Radhika and in this lecture we will know about N-channel and P-channel enhancement active resistors. The active resistors can be implemented by simply connecting gate to the drain terminal in case of NMOS as well as in case of PMOS. In case of NMOS transistor, the source is capped at the most negative power supply voltage VSS if possible to eliminate the bulk effect. While in the P channel, the source is connected to the most power most positive supply for the same reason. As shown in the VI characteristics, the resistance is not linear. For low signal swing, the active resistance works very well. So in this case, when this gate is tied to the drain, the VGS voltage is equals to VDS voltage. The MOSFET works in the saturation for all the voltage greater than VT. The IV characteristics can be written as I is equals to ID is equals to K dash by W VGS by 2 K dash by 2 W by L VGS minus VT whole square. Okay, this is the current, while voltage is equals to VGS is equals to VDS is equals to VT plus 2 IDL K dash by W whole root. From this equation we have calculated VGS, that is equals to V, that can be written as VT plus 2IDL upon K dash W half. K dash is equals to mu n ox. You know all the meaning mobility and this is the oxide capacitance. So connecting the gate to the drain means that VDS controls the ID, means this voltage at the drain source terminal controls the drain current, and therefore the channel transconductance become the channel conductance, and small signal conductance can be found by simply differentiating the above equation, this equation with respect to V. So we can write G is equals to di by dV equals to K dash W by 2L 2 VGS minus VT. Differentiating the above equation we get this. This is further can be written as in the terms of ID drain current, that is K dash W. This can be further written as whole root, and this can be written as K dash W by L V minus V. Okay, so in this lecture we have studied that how active resistor, this P channel or N channel enhancement resistors, this transistors can work as resistors. Okay, thank you.